Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to yet another vlog. It's 7:40 a.m. and I'm going to the Kowloon West station to buy the ticket. The problem now is that in Hong Kong it's a holiday and the tickets are very full. Especially Hong Kong, Guangzhou, these Hong Kong to China, these tickets are very full. Allah kare kuch mil jaye. Because my family is ready and family, you cannot say no to them. So let's go to Kowloon station. See you guys. When there is a holiday, this is the situation. So when you come to the Kowloon West station, you will see these counters. Okay, basically these are the counters. The train going from Kowloon West, yani ke Hong Kong, to Guangzhou Dong, Guangzhou Nam. Guangzhou Nan is a Guangzhou South station, and Guangzhou Dong is Guangzhou North station. All right. If you guys want to go to Guangzhou station is basically the old station. It's an old station. If you want to go to the Rosa Abi Waqas, the mosque in Guangzhou, then you have to take a train to Guangzhou station. In Chinese we used to say Guangzhou Cham. All right. And for that, you can buy the ticket from Kowloon station, all right, from Kowloon West station. Let me show you that counter, okay? Look at this. So these are those counters from, if you want to buy a ticket from Guangzhou, local ticket like Shenzhen to Guangzhou. So these are the counter, and let me see the logo if I can see. I cannot see that logo. Basically this is a local China tickets, like from Shenzhen to Guangzhou or Shenzhen to Beijing, Shenzhen to Shanghai. So you can buy tickets from this place. And from Hong Kong, if you want to go, these are the counters. Actually, I came here yesterday night, but I was late. It's a holiday in Hong Kong. So when it's a holiday in Hong Kong, the trains are so crowded. And my family said, we want to go to China, to Darbar, Abi Waqas. I said, okay, fine. I came to this station at night. I arrived here at 11:15, 11:15. And all those counters were closed. All right. And I check online, nothing available, no seat, fully packed. So that's why, it's in the morning. Now it's 8:47. So from Hong Kong to Shenzhen, we can go by train. I'm gonna show you. And from Shenzhen, basically it's a Lo Wu. Okay, Lo Wu is very famous border from Hong Kong. So from Lo Wu, I'll take a train to Guangzhou, and that Guangzhou station is Guangzhou Cham, Guangzhou Foche Cham. ठीक है ना? China. China Mobile. If you want to change some currency, you can come to these places. They are money changer basically. They all are money changer. They are giving very good rate. Welcome to Lo Wu, a metro station. Beautiful Shenzhen. This is the port, guys. Guangzhou Shenzhen port, or Guangzhou Shenzhen or Shenzhen Guangzhou station. So come to Shenzhen, take a train. It will take around 1 hour, and they charge 99 renminbi for first class ticket. You know, when you are traveling with the family, they feel hungry right away. Onion rings. Nice. Halal. Double fish fillet burger. यार जो केचप का टेस्ट बर्गर किंग का है, ये किसी ज़माने में हांगकांग का होता था. द केचप हेयर, I don't know, is it Heinz or what, but this is American taste. In Hong Kong, I cannot get this taste. Really. Delicious. Really delicious. Really delicious. The set for fish burger is 56 renminbi, and if you just want to have a burger, that is around 27 renminbi, which is quite expensive. Alright, so if you are with the family, 300-400 renminbi gone right away. So this is expensive, okay? But delicious, yummy. Wow, man, the train station is so busy. Oh my God. Wow. Which one is my train? My train is at 1:49, and now it's 12:30. Look at the crowd. You guys know what happened just now? My deodorant spray, you know, that was 200 ml, and they took my deodorant. Oh my God, I told my wife to keep it in that big bag, but you know, she gave it to my son, and my son put that in the backpack. So they just take it out. They say it's not allowed. So what I did, I just use it, I just spray it on me, on my sons, and then I just throw it away. So guys, for you, if you have any perfume or any deodorant or any spray, 150 ml allowed, not more than that, okay? So try to keep 150 ml. Good to go. If more than that, sorry, cannot. me show you the washroom. Clean. ठीक है, okay है. Seat भी सही है. Good. I'm not gonna use it. I just come here to show you. Nice. अच्छा खुलता कैसे है? ये देखो. चलिए अभी. You see? Wow. Look at the clouds, look at the train. And so many tracks they have. You can smoke at Guangzhou, or in China railway station you can smoke. No one will stop you. You just come out of the train, take an exit. They have only one exit and you are good to go. You have to tap your card here. Welcome to Guangzhou. So this is the exit. ठीक है? When you come out of the exit, okay, you will see this. दरबार is over there. ठीक है? दरबार उस साइड पे है. और जो होटल है डोंगफैंग होटल, that is somewhere over there. ठीक है? It's so windy, guys. Let me get to my hotel. See you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.